Being in this industry as long as we have, one of the most common complaints we hear about is poor spine and back health. We understand that not everyone has the funds or has the ability to invest in sophisticated training protocols and hiring high-level personal trainers and investing in personalized training programs. So what we wanted to do was develop a program that helped get our people, very simply, from being in pain to being able to lift weights. It's as simple as that. There are several programs available that address pain management, and even more that are built for beginners athletes, teaching them how to strength train. For us, it was very important that we created the program that combined both elements as well as function.
So our Rebuild program is 9 weeks long. Over the course of these 9 weeks, you will progress from mostly body weight and banded exercise to safely squatting, deadlifting, and pressing with a barbell again. Over the course of this training, you also learn how to safely squat and hinge, as well as address any weaknesses in your core, posterior chain, back, and spine. Every day's training includes 3 sections: a warm-up or activation piece designed to help you get ready for that day's lifting. It includes a main lifting or exercise section that will help address any weaknesses in your hips, spine, or back. You will also have some extra work. Now, this may be some extra conditioning work or accessory work. When you purchase the program, you will get a PDF sent to you, which includes all 9 weeks of training. Additionally, you will also get access to demo videos for all movements included in the PDF. All followers can also ask to be added to a private group where they can post videos, ask questions, and have direct access to our coaching staff. Remember, the goal of this program is not just to manage pain, but to get you moving properly and back to training safely.